Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can receive money on Payoneer. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Payoneer account. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now after, guys, you log in, there are three ways you can do to receive money on Payoneer. So you can either send them your email directly, that's if they have a Payoneer account, or you can request money from them even if they don't have a Payoneer account, or you can request money from companies using bank details. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So the first way, guys, to receive money, if the person that is sending you money has Payoneer, you just need to click on your profile in the top, then click on settings, and then click on profile settings. And this email, as you can see, that you use to log in into your Payoneer can be used to receive payments. Okay, just copy it. Okay, right, and then send it to the person that is sending you money, and then they will send you money to your Payoneer. Now what if they don't have a Payoneer account? Now what you guys need to do in this case, you want to receive money because you did some service, so you did some work and you want to pay you now. So you can click on get paid here, as you can see here, get paid. And there are two ways here. If you click here on receiving accounts, you can send them your bank details. Like you can, for example, if they are sending you the payment from United States, you can select this based in the US. Okay, as you can see, this bank, that is a US bank account, and as you can see, you can find here your routing number and the account number and the name of the bank, okay, which is your name. Now you can do this, but the problem with this method is this only the only payments for business transactions from business accounts are supported. So only like businesses can send you money through this way. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can receive money even if the person doesn't have like a business. Now as you can see, but this method, which is sending the bank account, they can send you money that are, like, as you can see, local transfer guidelines. Like account can be used to receive bank details. The account can be used to receive local bank transfers within the US. Okay, so they can send you money from the US. Okay, now, like most people, they are not going to use this. Okay, they don't want to receive money from businesses. So what you need to do in this case, you want to go back and then click again on get paid here, okay, and then click on request payment. All right, now as you can see, I wanted to request a payment from individuals, but I have to provide them the business profile and the government issued photo ID. Okay, this is easy. You just need to take take a picture, the front of your ID, okay, the front and the back, and then that's it. So in this case, I already submitted the government issued ID. I only have to submit here business profile. Now you want to go back, like I said, click on request get paid here, click on you want to click on request payment. Okay, after, it seems like I'm not able to do that because I already skipped that part. Now as you can see here, you will just need to add here what is the business as name. You just need to add here your name, your website. Like you can add, for example, any website here. It can be your favorite account, it can be anything, okay, website or social media page. It doesn't matter, okay. And here you can add what is the connection to the website provider provided. For example, I manage my page within the website hosted platform, or you don't want to answer, just click on other or something like that. Okay, now you just need to enter this information, and then you will be able to use the request payments, which is this one, to request payments from individuals. Okay, so that's exactly why I use this payment method. Okay, now the same thing, so you just need to give them the reasons here. Okay, so as you can see, let me show you something. Now here, like I said, when you click on request payment, they will give you some questions and tell them exactly why you are receiving the payment. Now you want to select the design, for example. Okay, design or something like that, and you will be able to take you to this page so that you can complete this. Okay, you can add your business profile, and then after that you can then add, after that you will let you add the email address of the person that is sending you money and their name, and then you will receive the email to pay you. Okay, now if you have any questions, like you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments, and like I said, I reply to everyone. And drop a like, and see you guys next one.